श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादिपाश्चात्यदेशकारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Again, Hare Krishna everybody. So, I welcome you all. So, after the orientation, I will do the first class. Right? So, we'll be starting off. So, in Sadhacar, like I said in the last class, we will be learning from the ground up, from the basics, the very basics of how to behave in a temple, what to do in a temple as soon as you enter the temple. Things like that, from minute things like that to how to cook prasadam for Lord, like vote for the Lord, how to respect Vaishnavas, how to avoid Vaishnava Aparad, how to progress in Bhakti overall, right? Our sadhana Bhakti. So, nectar of devotion, Rupa Goswami beautifully explains. There is levels in Bhakti. Sadhana Bhakti, then only comes, Raganuga Bhakti and Bhava Bhakti. There are 3 stages. Okay, so without sadhana is practice, continuous practice and following rules and regulations and everything. What to practice, how to do bhakti, right? All this we need to learn. So this all comes under sadhana bhakti. Okay, and only after we practice, sadhana is to practice, right? So after we practice regularly, following all the rules and regulations properly, that is when we enter something called as Raganuga Bhakti. Where in Raganuga Bhakti, we start developing spontaneously love with the Lord. Some kind of relationship we establish with the Lord, and we understand that the Lord. We develop relationship and we start loving the Lord, right? And that leads to prema bhakti, as in the bhava stage or the prema stage, where we ultimately get the love of God. Okay. So sadhana bhakti, Bhakti Sadhacar is founded on that, concept of sadhana bhakti. How to do sadhana, okay? Following the rules and regulations. So that is what we are aiming at. So these basics are going to be on how to do a lot of things, which all of us know we need to do, but we technically do not know step by step or in detail how to do it. Okay. So today, one of such classes, one of such concepts will be covered, that is how to behave in formal venues. The formal venues for Vaishnavas, it's usually temple and satsang and namahatas and etc. Right? So when we go there, what do we do? How do we behave? Okay, these things we will be learning. Let's begin with the class, but before that, it's Kirtan. We always start the class with Kirtan, and also attendance is a must, because after every module, okay, so this Sadhacar runs on module basis, right? So after every module, will be given certificate on module completion. So if you want certificate, we don't have any exams as such for Sadhacar. So the sole reliance is attendance. Okay, if you attend the classes regularly, minimum of 25% attendance is needed, and if that is there, then you will be given your certificate. So how is your attendance tracked? So Giridhar Prabhuji will be posting the attendance link. Okay, every class in the Zoom chat itself, he will be posting the link, and you'll have to just mark your attendance. Just click on the link and fill in the form. Okay, it just takes 2 minutes. It's not difficult. Okay. And that's how you mark your attendance. Okay, Prabhuji, can you drop the reminder in the class that class has started? I will see people joining you.
I have dropped Mataji.
Okay. Let's begin with the people. Radha Krishna Prana Mura Jugala Kishora राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोरा जुगल किशोरा जीवने मरणे गते यारो नाही मोरा जीवने मरणे गते यारो नाही मोरा राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोरा जुगल किशोरा कालिंदीरकुले केली कादंबरवाना कालिंदीरकुले केली कादंबरवाना रतना बेडीरा उपरा बोसबोधु जाना रतना बेडीरा उपरा बोसबोधु जाना राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोरा जुगल किशोरा श्याम गौरी अंगे दिवो चंदनेर गंधा श्याम गौरी अंगे दिवो चंदनेर गंधा चामरा दुलाबो कवे मुख चंद्रा चामरा दुलाबो कवे मुख चंद्रा राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोरा जुगल किशोरा गतिया मलते मला दिवो हरा गले गतिया मलते मला दिवो हरा गले अधरा तुलिया दिवो कर्पूरा तांबूले अधरा तुलिया दिवो कर्पूरा तांबूले राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोरा जुगल किशोरा राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोरा जुगल किशोरा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दासरानुदासा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दासरानुदासा सेवाभिलाषा करे नरोत्तम दासा सेवाभिलाषा करे नरोत्तम दासा राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोरा जुगल किशोरा ललिता विशाखादि जन सखी वृंदा ललिता विशाखादि जन सखी वृंदा आज्ञा करिबो सेवा चरणारविंदा आज्ञा करिबो सेवा चरणारविंदा राधा कृष्ण प्राण मोरा जुगल किशोरा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Krishna. What happened to the strength? So should we continue or should we stop this class today? Because there's nobody here, like hardly one person. Janani Mataji, can you join the next batch, which is at 7 o'clock? Okay, sure, Mataji. Thank you. Because there's nobody, I don't know where everybody disappeared. Okay, so yeah, and Mataji, you can, like follow the playlist where all the other basic classes are already uploaded. I'll share the playlist in this group as well, so that you will stay updated. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Can we
Mataji,
end? Yes.
yeah, should I post a message in the group saying that the class has been cancelled due to low number of attendees or something of that kind?
Yeah, maybe you can. After, yeah, in some time you can post.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Janani Mataji, thank you a lot for joining. Panchakatagurubhyascha Kapasangubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavnebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Anantakoti Vaishnava Indikitya Srila Prabhupada.